Hello everyone. So, in my last Kicking Horse video, I said that I was going to do a video on the Quartz Creek 4-laning and bridge replacement project. So, here we are. So this is between the Golden Scales and Rogers Pass Summit. There's an old single-lane bridge up ahead here. But as we get to the top of the hill, this is going to go into 4 lanes. Not yet, they're working on it. So we're coming up here. This has been in the works for, I believe it's 3 years now. But you can see they've been blasting away everything. So it's not a very long stretch. It's a little bit longer than Golden, maybe, than Kicking Horse. But you can see they've had to blast the mountain away, the sides, make the road wider. And yeah, this is getting to be a tiring project too for me. Anyways, I'm lucky on this particular day, the speed limit. Oh, I'm only doing 38 miles an hour. Yeah, 38 miles an hour. So they're building some sort of underpass right there, probably an animal underpass. So Quartz Creek is famous for snowmobiling. And coming up here on the left, if you make a left-hand turn, that's where they go snowmobiling. A little bit of free advertising for Travel BC there. So it looks like the westbound lanes are going to be over on the other side, and there's going to be kind of a meridian there. So you can see it's coming back. So they're probably widening the highway there enough that vehicles with trailers, snowmobile trailers, aren't blocking the lane, the fast lane, to make a left-hand turn into there. So they pretty well got this part all done. It looks like they're going to be ready to pave it pretty soon. This project is actually supposed to be finished. Yeah, there's some nasty bumps along here. This project is supposed to be finished by fall of 2023. So by the end of this year, or by the end of the fall, it should be completed finally. So they've had to do a little bit more blasting here. They're still doing some blasting. 7 o'clock every night they do blasting. So here to the right, see, I can't get good video of the new bridge, but to the right there, being the tree gap, is where the new bridge is going to be. So right now we're going to go over the old bridge. Definitely needs replacing. Maybe one day I'll grab my cell phone and I'll turn it towards the bridge as I drive by it. Maybe on my way back to Calgary this week. So this is where the highway from the bridge is going to come out. And it's all going to be 4-laned. So this is all part of the Twinning Highway 1 from Kamloops to the Alberta-BC border, which, you know, it's a shame. I'm never going to see it in my lifetime. I'm getting up there in years, so we're coming up to the end of where the 4-lane is going to be. See here on the right hand side, they've prepped everything for paving. It sure will be nice when this is all done. Like I said, it's a shame I'll never see this highway twinned. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a request for it, that's why I've done it. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope he enjoyed it. And hit the like and subscribe if you liked it. Talk to you later. Bye.